everybody? How you doing? Today we're going to be working on the smoker and got a project from the craft show yesterday. But we're going to start with smoker, so I'm going to show it to you real quick. So I put a video on TikTok of what it looked like before. I'm going to put that on here. Probably split the video, whatever. So what we're going to do is we're going to wire wheel the whole entire thing up. I'm going to have the wife print me some new stickers for it so we can basically reset it back to what it used to look like before it got used and abused. We are taking this exhaust pipe right here. It used to come off right here. Okay? Just like that. So, what we did is I went and got some 3-inch. It wasn't supposed to be 3-inch, but that's what I ended up getting. 3-inch exhaust pipe. Got that, and we got a 90-degree elbow here. So it'll come up out of this end. So instead of sucking the smoke from that end this way and then up out of the side, it's going to suck it all the way across the grate and then out the top. So I had cut the hole for this, and then as you can tell, the patch plug that I'm putting back in here, I did bend it so it's rounded out so it matches. This came from over here. And now all I gotta do is put a little bit of a backer behind this so we can fill it in and grind it smooth. That way they would never even know it was there. And obviously we're gonna grind the inside. And then we're gonna take this exhaust pipe, since it was supposed to be, hang on a second. Since this is how it's supposed to be, okay? I was gonna do this, like that, and then I was gonna set up a little lever system from here down to that, so you could open it however much you needed. But since trial and error and everything, I figured out that if I take the old one and I cut it off right before where it was bent, so right about there, okay? So we're gonna be about like that. And then I could just use the old stock one, or if I don't like that, I could put the exhaust pipe on it and then go from there. But yeah, that'll be what we're doing with that. And then, again, we're just gonna be wire wheeling it, painting it, and then the pieces that my grandpa made for me for the handles and the shelf, we're just gonna put a clear satin on it, polyurethane. That way it's sealed and it doesn't change colors on me. And then she'll be all done. We got all new screws and bolts to put through here. So we will go ahead and get to it, since I've already started and I keep forgetting to turn on my camera. So I will talk to you guys in a little bit, and I hope you enjoy the video. Alright, boys and girls, so yesterday I came out here and was doing some work. I didn't record it because I forgot to bring all my stuff, so here we go. This is what we were working on, okay, and it snapped right here. So what we're doing is hopefully not getting stung, but we're going to weld this up. I brought plates with me. We're gonna fishbone this, and then once we're done with that, I gotta go up here and bring that down here, weld that solid, and then this thing is done. So we're gonna go ahead and get set up, and then we'll get to it. So I'll see you guys in a minute. Alright, boys and girls, so since you guys already started the video, I finished that hay equipment for the farmer, or yeah, the farmer, we'll go farmer. But we are getting ready to sell said machine. So I'll show you what we're gonna do. So I have everything ready to go. Besides the battery hooked up, I hooked my leads up. So I took them off the 200. Got some 7018 and 6011. I hooked this little plate up. Of course, I welded that with the old 200 because, you know, it's good stuff right there. But the battery is currently on the charger because, well, I want to make sure this thing will start because I know it'll start because I just started it earlier. But we're gonna see if we can get this old girl sold so we can move on to better projects. So I will talk to you guys in a little bit. There she goes, guys. She's gone. Now we got this thing. All right, boys and girls, so we got the hay equipment done. We got the original welder sold. Now we have the lady wants another heart for a friend. So we're gonna start with this base, and I'm gonna be cheesy. This is for unlocking love, if you know what I mean. And we got, I didn't get the same size as that because we couldn't find any. But this is 40, that's 35, so it's close enough. So we're gonna go ahead and get to it, and I'll see you guys in a second. Alright guys, so I got that done. I'm gonna show it to you real quick, and then I'm still waiting on another guy to contact me so we can get to working on his stuff. So I'll show you. Look at this. Yes, isn't it so nice? So I did this with a lock because, you know, I'm corny and that's what I do. Hang on a second. Since I'm corny and everything, I did it like that so they can take this, spin it like so. I'll be like, oh look, heart or love unlocks everything. See? You like that, eh? It's pretty solid, isn't it? But I hope you guys like the videos. And well, I guess I'll see you as soon as I get the other job done. So talk to you in a minute. Alrighty guys, so now it's we've done a whole video of the week of my life, at least most of the time. We got the smoker done, so I'm gonna show it to you, and probably gonna throw a clip in here from TikTok of the original of what it looked like before, because it was not pretty. So I'll show you. So this is what we got now. Looks a lot better. And no, I did not get in there and do that because I am not going to want to burn this out again. So I did not paint any of that on the inside. Plus, it's not going to hurt that the inside wasn't cleaned out. But then we put this exhaust on there. So, original, figured it wouldn't hurt nothing, and it was actually the same size as that, so we went with it. But yeah, that's what she looks like, boys and girls. I think she looks really good now. All I gotta do is get a little bucket for there, and well, probably be ready to get sold. Either that or I'm gonna use it, so I guess I have to decide. But I hope you guys enjoy the videos. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment, and yeah, get a hold of me if you like it. So see you later.